أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Welcome to Tabir al-Qur'ani. Today inshallah we are going to do page number 66 as we are discussing the topic of Taqdeem wa Ta'khir. So, this topic just helps us appreciate how every word in the Quran is placed with accuracy, with clarity, and with care. Uh, like everything, like meaning, context, and the divine wisdom inside it. it's it's not only the grammar, it's everything is important when we are doing the topic of taqdeem and tahir. So let's continue inshallah. We'll start with the Arabic text. It's continued from page number 65, in which Dr. Fatih Samurai has mentioned the importance of taqdeem over Tahir, and he has told us that why few words are sometimes made muqaddam and sometimes in the Quran they are made muakhar. So he said that in the Quran everything is like for purpose, the taqdeem and tahir. So let's continue from here. Ajibatun. So it's here ajibatun faqad takunu lahu khututun عامة في التقديم والتأخير، وقد تكون هناك مواتن تقتضي تقديم هذه اللفظة. So, أو تلك كل ذلك مراء فيه سياق فيه سياق الكلام والاتساق. Here فيه سياق الكلام والاتساق العام في التعبير على أكمل وجه وأبهى صورة. So here وسنوضح هذا القول المجمل ببيان ببيان شاف. So here he is saying that like it is ajibatun, like it is truly remarkable, like what is this like when the taqdeem and ta'khir is happening, at times like there are um, just the normal patterns which have this taqdeem and ta'khir, and sometimes like at other times there are some specific contexts that require one word to be like given the taqdeem, like priority over the other. So in all of these cases, in all cases, he is saying that like whatever the flow of the speech and all the overall, you can say the harmony of the matching of the expression are very carefully observed, and this gives it just uh, achieve the highest level of the perfection and the beauty. So he's saying that we will now um, وسنوضح هذا القول المجمل ببيان شاف. So he's saying that we will now clarify this general statement that with a very clear explanation. So he's saying that like sometimes uh, there are things that which make the taqdeem and ta'khir in the sentence, and like there are times when there is specific contexts and that require the taqdeem of a particular word, and this is all in all of these cases. He's saying that the speech, the flow of the speech, and the overall like matching and the harmony and of this wording and the expression are carefully like observed, and that is why in every word and in every sentence we see the perfection and the beauty. And with that, he's saying that we will now going to, like, he's now going to give us some examples to clarify this general statement, whatever he said about Taqdeem and Ta'khir. So, Innal Qur'ana. So now he's starting saying, Innal Qur'ana kama zakartu yukaddimu al alfaza wa yuakhiruha hasb, حسب ما يقتضيه المقام فقد يكون سياق الكلام مثلا متدرجا حسب القدم والأولية في الوجود فيرتب فيرتب ذكر الكلمات على هذا الأساس فيبدأ بالأقدم ثم الذي يليه وهكذا وذلك نحو قوله تعالى وما خلقت الجن والإنس إلا ليعبدون. This is Surah Zariyat, ayat number 56. فخلق فخلق الجن قبل خلق الإنس بدليل قوله تعالى والجان خلقناه من قبل من نار السموم. This is Surah Al-Hijr, ayat number 27. فذكر الجن أولا ثم ذكر الإنس بعدهم. So he's saying that as we are going to clarify this statement that why the context sometimes is important and sometimes all of the flow is just well observed. So he's saying that um, in al Qur'ana kama as said that in al Qur'ana kama zakartu. So as mentioned earlier, or as I mentioned earlier, the Quran made some words like muqaddam and delays, words according to what the situation demands. So sometimes the context of the speech, uh, like it just follows a normal, gradual order that is based on the taqdeem and the taqdeem and the here he's saying that taqdeem in you can say fil wujud in existence, like the taqdeem muqaddam qaddama wa awliyati. So here uh, awliyati fil wujudi, so you can translate it as like it's just based on the taqdeem and the um, you can say primacy in the existence fil wujudi, and accordingly words are arranged on this basis, beginning with what came first in existence. So this is what he's saying, like followed by what came later and so on. So an example of this is the statement of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. And I did not create the jinn and mankind except that they worship me. This is Surah Zariyat. So the jinn were created before human beings, as it is proved by this ayah here. وَالْجَانَّ خَلَقْنَاهُ مِنْ قَبْلُ مِنْ نَارِ السَّمُومِ. And the jinn we created before from the scorching fire. And this is the proof. And this is a proof in this ayah that the jinn were created before, and thus we can see that the jinn are mentioned first, followed by mankind, so or the humans. Then here, let's see the next example. وذكر الجن أولا ثم ذكر الإنس بعدهم وأنه قوله تعالى لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم. سورة بقرة آية نمبر 255. لأن السنة وهي النعاس تسبق النوم فبدأ بالسنة ثم النوم. So saying that another example is here لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم. So neither the drowsiness overtakes him nor the sleep. So this is Surah Baqarah. So because this sinna, drowsiness, comes before sleep, so drowsiness is mentioned first, followed by here by sleep. Then he says, وَمِنْ ذَلِكَ تَقْدِيمُ عَادٍ عَلَى ثَمُودَ قال تعالى وَعَادًا وَثَمُودًا وَقَدْ تَبَيَّنَ لَكُم مِّن مَسَاكِنِهِمْ. Surah Ankabut, ayat number 38. فَإِنَّ عَادًا أَسْبَقُوا مِنْ ثَمُودَ. So similarly, the people of Ad are mentioned before Samud, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَعَادًا وَثَمُودًا وَقَدْ تَبَيَّنَ لَكُم مِّن مَسَاكِنِهِمْ. And we destroyed Ad and Samud, and it has become clear to you from their dwellings. So this is Surah Ankabut. So this is because Ad, uh, like they preceded Samud in time. Then we have وجعلوا last paragraph وجعلوا من ذلك تقديم الليل على النهار والظلمات على النور قال تعالى وهو الذي خلق الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر. Surah Anbiya, ayat number 33. فقدم الليل لأنه أسبق من النهار وذلك لأنه قبل خلق خلق الأجرام. So here الأج الأجرام كانت الظلمة وقدم الشمس على القمر لأنها قبله في الوجود. وقال تعالى يقلب الله الليل والنهار. Surah Nur, ayat number 44. إلى غير ذلك من آيات الكثيرة ومثل تقديم الليل. So from the same rule is like this the creation he's talking about the creation of all of these things. So from the same rule is that the theme of the night over the day and darkness over light. And that is why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَهُوَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ اللَّيْلَ وَالنَّهَارَ وَالشَّمْسَ وَالْقَمَرَ. And He is the one who created the night and the day and the sun and the moon. Surah Al-Anbiya, ayat number 33. So for Qaddama, night is mentioned first because it preceded the day as darkness existed before the creation of all, um, like here he's saying, like all these celestial bodies. So uh, the sun is mentioned before the moon because it came earlier in existence. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here says, يُقَلِّبُ اللَّهُ اللَّيْلَ وَالنَّهَارَ. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alternates the night and the day. Surah Al-Nur at number 44. And there are many other examples, many other ayat that follow this pattern. So this is um, like Dr. Father Samari has mentioned here the Taqdeem and Ta'khir, but here the reason is like the creation of everything, like the creation of the jinn and the ins, and the creation of the Layl and Nahar, the creation of the Zulm and the Noor, the creation of the Shams and the Qamar. So we know that the Quran does not arrange its words randomly or like just for the style alone. But we see here that every instance of the demon takhir is is ruled by the context and the meaning and all of the harmony within all this context. So um, we see here whether there is natural sequence or emphasis or we see that there is always eloquence that is going to mm, just made us do tadabbur for every ayah, every word, and also just like recognizing all these patterns, like it is going to just sharpen our understanding of the Quran, and it's going to make more powerful, and also uh, uh, like a connection with Quranic, this miraculous expression is going to just go and it's just going to be more powerful. So, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, page number 66 is complete. Inshallah, I'm going to see you in the next session. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.